All right, YouTubers, I'm about to show you how to make some syrup for those yams. It's holiday season, so let's get into it. First, you want to make sure that you wash off them yams very good. Next, you want to make sure you peel the skin off the yam. You can cut these in thick circle slices or in dice slices. Next, you want to get you a pan and put 7 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1½ teaspoon of nutmeg, 1½ teaspoon of the VeesPremiumCEO, link in the description, 1½ teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix all that mixture together. Turn your stove on low, let the butter and ingredients melt together. Next, you want to let the syrup come to a slight boil. You can also turn your eye on high. It will cook a little faster, but the syrup will be darker, thicker, and richer. Next, you want to grab your pan of yams. Go ahead and pour that rich, thick syrup over top of them. If you have a big pan of yams, you can also double up on the syrup recipe. For more step-by-step recipes, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. For all other social media platforms, the links are in the description. Next, you just want to flip some of the yams over in the syrup, get some of those slices nice and coated. Next, you just want to cover it up, put your oven on 350. Leave them in the oven for an hour, hour and a half, or even 2 hours. After they come out of the oven, you let them cool, you're ready to dig in. Ginger powder store link is in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.